In this video, you will learn how to install Python for your CodeDrone Mini Python class. First, you're going to go to your browser and search for python.org. Under the Downloads tab, there should be a button with your operating system listed here. But if it's not, you can go to Windows, Mac OS, or the other platform depending on the device that you have. If you already have Python installed or you think you already have it installed, go ahead and install 3.8.5 anyway, or whichever latest version is up on this site. This is because the CodeDrone Mini library will work with the latest version of Python, and we want to make sure that it works on your machine. So go ahead and install Python 3.8.5. When it's done installing, you can go ahead and open that file. If your device blocks the installer, you can open System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and you may have a message here where you will allow Python to be downloaded and installed. If it downloads successfully, you don't need to worry about that. Go ahead and run through the installer and save it in the appropriate folder, and there you go. Once Python is done installing, you'll probably see a folder come up that says idle, Python launcher, and some other files. You can close this, move to trash, and then you're all done. You can code in Python here in the idle, but we won't be using idle for coding with CodeDrone Mini. Instead, you'll need to install PyCharm EDU, which we'll do in the next video.